Okay, so you all voted to see the video with me and Jackson make this. A disclaimer in advance. I knew when I started the camera that I wasn't going to post this. I was like, well, let's have a trial run or something. So it's going to be very unscripted and it's going to be very me. So I'm sorry if I offend anyone. And no cats were harmed during the making of this video because I love my cats more than anything in life. Enjoy the video, guys. Bye. I'm using this page. It doesn't have anything interesting on the back, just, you know, writing. I love the paper. It's nice and yellowed and has this green illustration print on it. I love the color green. So let's just see, how am I going to do it? I want to make it a little bit narrower over here. I could give you measurements, but that doesn't make any sense with your paper. I'm sorry, I have a frog in my throat. There you go. And there's my cat. Hello, Jackson. Hi. What you doing? Yes, he wants to have a nap now on the scoreboard, of course. Come on, love. There you go. There you go. Go on and play. Yeah. I love my cat, but he is a bit annoying now and then. Let's see, I'm just folding this in. No, love, no. He just wants to be near me. Okay, I'm gonna lie here, Mom. So you see, you cannot do anything now anymore. No. I'm gonna score here. I cannot work like this. Of course you can't. And then it's a little bit too long here. But, yeah, we can make that shorter. Fold 1/4 inch here. I believe that will do the trick. And then I need to fold on the bottom because this is way too big. So I'm gonna fold in 1 inch. Now he's having a color with the camera. Hey, Mama. Yeah. You know why? Let me tell you. He sees me talking to the camera, so he's like, oh, that's the person. Mama likes the person. I also like the person, Mama. He's so crazy. So crazy. I'm taking a snippy here and here. I'm guessing. Don't know why, but... And I'm taking a snippy here in the middle. Yeah. What else? I'm taking this off. Also don't know why exactly, but thought I might take that off. And then this one and this one. I'm just making random snippies. Okay. So this is going to fold like so. Yes. And then this one is going to fold over it. No. Also going to fold to the inside. So we're gluing it down to the outside. Well, I guess so. I guess so. I don't know for sure. Both on the inside. Then we're left with this. So we can make snippy. Where are my tools? Where are my tools? Behind you. Why is this like that? Oh, there you go. I want my 1.5 inch circle punch. What I also want is a 2 inch circle punch and a 1/4 inch circle punch. Yeah. That's a lot of circle punches. I know. Art. Come on. It's coming. see if this will work. Sort of will. Of course it will. See, small narrow pocket. So exciting, yeah. But what are you going to do with the pocket? I don't know. I'm thinking. I think I want to have a big label and something over here. Are these labels? Yes, these are labels. Do I have something green in my new book? Oh, I have a lie here. So here, hold this, please. Hold this, like so. Yes, hold it. Hold it for Mama. Yes, thank you, baby. Why is he holding it? Well, let's give him something to do. Are you okay, babe? Yeah? Okay. I'm helping my mommy. Let's see, some green. Oh, I have so many green things. Here, flowers and feathers. Yeah, I'm not gonna use that. What am I gonna use? Something that I don't like. That says reward. Or typewriter oil. Warranted not to become rancid. Yeah. Oh, it looks nice though. License number. Or, what's this? Ribbon. Yes, ribbon. No. Notes. Yes, I'm gonna put on notes here. Are you? Yep. Says notes. What else? Some greenish. Oh, I have tickets. Greenish tickets. That should work. Oops. Is you already done, Jackie? Well, Jackson be like, you know, it was fun, but not enough fun for me. I'm a-going. Bye, Jackie. He'll be back. Yes, he'll be back. Like so. Yeah. Maybe see a die cut here or something. Or maybe, yeah. Let's do a flower. Are there flowers in here? I think there are lots of flowers in here. Yes, a bunch of them. What's this? A big orange poppy. Oh, Poppy, aren't you glad you're on this one? Yeah, well, I'm thinking, yes. This could work, right? Yeah, I'm gonna do the orange poppy. What else? Don't know really. Maybe some text scripty bits underneath. What's in here? No, this is fabrics. I am bending beneath my... Oh, numbers? No numbers. No numbers. Let me have a quick look what I have in this pile of scraps. About pages with book pages. No. Ooh, let's have some of this. Yeah. Yes. Ooh, that looks lovely. Yeah. I like that. Like it. I'm not sure about the ticket though. Of course, hon. Yeah. Hey, Jackson. Let's not do that. He's seeking attention now. Okay, so yes, I'm gonna do this. Putting this away. So what else? Well, actually, nothing else. I think this is lovely the way it is. Yeah. It's way too big for my journal, but that's okay. Yeah. I need a glue page. A page to glue on. Do I have that? I emptied the bin. I do not have a glue page. Oh, cards. Oh, you're still so sad. Let's just do a encyclopedia page. Glue page. See, what's on here? It's nothing exciting. Nothing really exciting. So, oh, it's nice and green. Okay, some gluing. With, well, I've decided glue. Yep. My small, ooh. First a ticket. Ticket first. Tickets, please. There you go. Oh, it's already warm. So, I need to put this underneath here. And there you go. Then the lovely ledger paper. Yep. That says Hoogveen, which is a city in the northern part of the Netherlands. Hello, if you are from there. And then the big flower. Yeah, think so. My pin, because otherwise I cannot remove the backing or the sticker. This is the backing. I actually really don't like these glossy stickers. Why did you buy them? I don't know, they look nice. And I have seen some people use them. Which part is the sticker? This part is the sticker. And I was like, oh, that looks so nice. And now I have them myself and I'm like, oh, maybe not. There you go. That is cute though. Yeah. Real cute. You do something on the back? No? Oh. Done. Prototype done.